Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important and interesting because we are going to discuss one of the most important things that is happening in the IT industry right now. This is important for all the freshers as well as experienced people who are working in companies like Wipro, TCS, Infosys, Accenture, CTS, Cognizant Technology Services, and a lot of other companies like Accenture as well. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video till the very end and try to understand each and everything that we are going to explain in our today's video. So the number one things that I want to talk about is the project managers. Right now, if you look at companies like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro, you will find that the managers who are working in these companies, okay, who are having a direct relation or direct contact, who are a main point of contact with all the clients. So the client have a lot of dependency on these managers, and they like give all the tasks, all the work to them, and then it is like it can be a waterfall methodology or it can be an agile methodology through which it is passed on to the developers and the entire team or the support team. Okay, so this is the general flow in the IT companies. Now what happens essentially, okay, especially in times like these when the client wants to cut down the cost, okay, the financial situation of the client is not very good. If they are from US and Europe, the Australian market and the New Zealand market is quite stable compared to that of US and Europe, but the clients are not having any money. Okay, so they do not want to invest a lot of money, and since TCS had like 5 years 8 years contract with all these clients, it is about to end. Okay, a lot of companies have also renewed their like contract and everything, but it hasn't been extended as well. But what is happening right now, okay, the legacy projects and everything that were there with the project managers or the scrum master, or it can be a product owner as well, but I will call, for the time being I'll call it as a project manager. Okay, now the client was in contact with the project manager were further giving the work to the developers and the team leader, etc. So now what is happening, okay, let me tell you, I have like seen this interesting thing that the project managers are forming their shell companies. Now, I might get a lot of heat for this, but definitely, guys, I have seen this. A lot of people have also seen this thing, same thing. So that is why I wanted to highlight this thing. Okay. So I will also tell you what if you are a member of a team in such case, then what you can do in that case. Okay. So first, let us discuss what is happening. So the managers, they are reaching out to the client, okay, in an unprofessional way and not officially, but like in a casual way, that we have a team of members who will be helping you to work on the things that any company for that matter was working on. For example, there is a manager A, okay, and from there they will be applying for a bid for the project assignment, okay, the tender, something like that. Okay, so then what will happen, the team, the manager is having some team and it is forming a shell company. Then they will be like applying for the bid and they will be winning it because they will be doing it at a less amount as that of TCS, Infosys, Wipro. Because if you observe, okay, if you have a look at the estimations and everything of these companies, you will find that they are paying employees pennies and they are earning a lot of amount in dollars. So if you look at after every employee, okay, for 6 months or 1 month of contract, they're getting roughly around 10 lakh rupees per year. And if you look at some other companies, okay, they are getting more than that, like L&T Mindtree, Persistent System, they are getting 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs per employee per year. Okay, this is a rough estimation, okay. But now here important thing is that what these project managers are doing, they have created some shell companies, they are applying for the bid and they are winning the contracts. And this is one of the reasons why companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, they are losing the contracts because all these project managers know everything, each and like in and out of about all the projects. Okay, and that is the reason the client is also okay with giving them the contract. Okay, so these are the things that are happening. And what will happen if you are in such a project? Okay, so in that case there can be two things that can be done. Okay, if you are a team lead or if you are a person who's having a good experience in that legacy application or something like that, you have a very good experience and you have a good knowledge also about it. So what the client might do is, since they are taking away the project from company like TCS, Infosys, right, then what they will do, they can possibly hire you to look after the project also, because altogether along with the project manager, a new team will be overlooking that project, right? So in that case, the client might hire you, they might also call you on site, okay, in that case, and they might ask you to like have a look at it. Or if you're a team leader or if you're a good developer, then you can also be like leading certain team, okay, in their part. Okay, the project managers team, the shell company. Okay, in that case also, if you are good, if you have good relations with the project manager, what they can do is they can also add you in that team. They might ask you to resign from this company, and then you along with the project manager will also be joining the same company, wherein you will be providing all your services, IT related or maybe development, deployment, all these things to the client. So this is the thing that is happening majorly in the IT companies, and this is how people having 20 years, 25 years of experience in this which companies, Now you might be not knowing what is which company, right? So which W stands for Wipro, I stands for Infosys, T stands for TCS Tech Mahindra, C stands for Cognizant, and H I think H stands for HCL. So I hope that you might, my guys might have understood a lot of things right now. So these are the things that are happening. If you have been working in a project where they are asking you that the project is going to end or something is going to happen, then in that case there is a high possibility that this thing might be happening. So I want you all to be like stay upgraded about all these things, and stay notified about all these things. Okay, so this is a good possibility where you can make a lot of money if you start working for the client directly, okay, on a client's payroll. That is again good thing. If it is on a contract with the shell company or the any company of the project manager, then it is little bit risky. I won't say risky, but it is complicated because you are working in a new startup. It totally depends on the contract that the client has given to you. If the client is ending the contract or some things are not working out well, they can go back again to companies like TCS and Infosys. So these are the things that are happening. I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you want us to make regular videos about all these things, what is happening in the IT industry, the overall in and out of the IT industry, what you can do at the IT companies, what you should not do in the IT companies, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we make regular videos about all these topics, all the insights, all the industry things that are happening right now. Okay, so please like this video, share it with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.